Welcome to another episode of the Filipino Genealogy channel. This is a very short video, which is actually an addendum to an already existing video which I made discussing the 3 top genetic genealogy tests available for Filipinos who want to know more about their ancestry. So I have been recently informed by a friend who sent his 23andMe DNA sample back to the United States that there is an additional requirement when sending back DNA sample to the United States. Now, this requirement is not a new requirement. Based on the website of the Department of Health, any human sample, any part of the human body that is sent through courier services like FedEx, which we usually use to send back these samples to the United States, would require, aside from a medical certification that the sample is safe and non-hazardous, it will also require an official certification from the Bureau of Quarantine to certify the same thing. So according to a friend who recently got this certification, all you need to do is bring your medical certificate to the Bureau of Quarantine and then get an official certification from them. As you see on your screen, this is the actual certification that my friend recently got from the Bureau of Quarantine, which he submitted together with his official medical certificate with FedEx in order for FedEx to ship back the DNA sample to the United States. So again, this is not a new requirement. For some reason, international courier services like FedEx simply probably forgot to ask this requirement from me and from others who have been sending back their DNA sample for the past few years. But because of the pandemic, there has been a review of the requirements, and it has been found out that this particular certification has not been strictly imposed by the courier services. So please make sure that if you are sending back your DNA sample to the United States, aside from the medical certificate, which I discussed in a previous video, you also need to procure an official certification from the Bureau of Quarantine, which is basically a reiteration of your medical certificate. So that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.